Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases today we will discuss a very important issue regarding the legal grounds or those grounds which goes to the root cause of the proceeding or those grounds which are connected with the main issue of disallowance or those grounds which did not require investigation of any new facts. These grounds can be raised first time at the appellate stage even if the assessee has not taken those grounds at the level of assessment or at the level of CIT appeal. This very important issue has been taken by Bangalore ITAT A bench by its judgment dated 28th July 2022 in the case of SAP Labs India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 118 ITR Tribunal at page number 360. In the present case, the assessment year concerned is assessment year 2011-12, and in the present case there was issue relating to the transfer pricing matters. The learned assessing officer referred the matter to the transfer pricing officer on 23rd July 2012 under section 92 CA subsection 3. When this reference was made, the transfer pricing officer passed his transfer pricing order on 31st January 2014. While the limitation period for passing the final order by the assessing officer was expiring on 31st March 2014. There is a limitation period for passing the transfer pricing order by the transfer pricing officer, and that is the transfer pricing officer has to pass his order 60 days prior to the date of the limitation period. Since in the present case, the transfer pricing officer has passed the transfer pricing order on 31st January 2014, being the limitation period 31st March 2014 for the final assessment order. If we calculate the limitation period of passing the transfer pricing order, that is 60 days prior to the date of passing the final order, then the limitation date for passing the transfer pricing order becomes 30th January 2014. Since in the present case the transfer pricing order was passed on 31st January 2014, so it was delayed by 1 day. But at the time of CIT appeal, the assessee was not aware of this fact. So when the assessee first time at the ITAT level realized that this was the ground which he should have taken, so the assessee, by relying on the Supreme Court judgment in the case of National Thermal Power Company Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, which was decided in 1998 and reported in 229 ITR at page number 383, which says that the additional ground raised by the assessee, which goes to the root cause of the proceeding, and if they are directly connected with the main issue of disallowance, then they can be admitted at any stage. The tribunal, by relying on the judgment of Supreme Court in the case of National Thermal Power Company Limited, further said that in the present case, for admitting the additional ground of the assessee, no new facts needed for adjudication. The issue was completely legal in nature and that did not require investigation of any facts. So the tribunal admitted the additional ground and quashed the transfer pricing officer order because it was delayed by 1 day and it was beyond limitation period. Friends, the purpose of discussing this case is that we should examine our file and try to find out as many as legal grounds. The importance of legal grounds is that they can be raised at any stage of the proceedings. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is SAP Labs India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 118 ITR Tribunal at page number 360, and the date of the judgment is 28th July 2022, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Bangalore ITAT A bench. Thank you, friends.